Hi, my name is Suzanne. I'm the owner of Boma Jewelry. Today we're going to tell you a little bit about our story and more about the company. So let's get started. So Boma was actually started in 1981 in Seattle. My parents started it as a very small company, and at the beginning they sold different kind of products, and then they eventually grew a really great deep passion for jewelry. So in 1983, parents started a factory in Thailand. My dad is originally from Thailand. The story behind Boma is that actually Boma was started by Boon, my father, and Boon really wanted to create a product that was high quality and that was handmade from his home country of Thailand. So he started working with sterling silver, which is something that Thailand has a deep heritage in making by hand. We focus on handmade jewelry, so every piece of jewelry that we make is actually handmade by artisans, and the process that we use, it's called the lost wax casting method. But basically what it means is that it starts with a master mold that's made, and from that master mold we're able to create multiple pieces, use that for production. But there really is an artisanship in making that master mold, and so behind every master mold have someone who is highly trained and skilled in jewelry making and who's been working for decades. And that's really where the quality and the beauty of our jewelry comes from. It comes from that person who's hand making something and getting it to the most beautiful symmetry and proportions and details. And from that one master mold, we're able to replicate that and make multiple pieces. We work with 925 sterling silver that is recycled, and we also work with high quality gold plate and gold vermeil that's responsibly sourced. So Boma is a B Corp certified company, and we're really proud to be a B Corp because what it means for us is that it means that we're in the business of doing good things for the planet. This is really something that, I recommend for my kids. I have 3 daughters, and I only let them wear sterling silver jewelry or higher. I don't allow them to wear base metals or costume jewelry because I just think it's not good for their skin. That's one of the things that I teach them when it comes to jewelry is look for 925. Or if you wear gold, you can wear sterling that has been plated with a thick layer of gold. So that would be gold plate or gold vermeil. And we do them ourselves, but we also work in community with other recycling companies, for example, Ridwell. And we've done jewelry collections where we receive thousands of pieces jewelry back, and we've gone through those pieces and we've been able to recycle them as well. And that just brings us one step closer to being zero waste and more circular in our business. But it really is what gives our product our quality, and this is a quality that's been built over 40 years. Okay, thank you.